Hi, I'm Cliff. Today we're going to talk about a more advanced feature that we're going to add to our high-level funnels or websites where we can swap out some of the text based on a URL query parameter. So for example, if you offer a service that can be provided remotely from any location, you can say something like, we offer credit repair services in Dallas, Texas, or we offer credit repair services in Atlanta, Georgia. And whether it's running ads or, just otherwise providing links for people to click on, you would add location equals Atlanta, comma, GA to your URL. And then when someone visits that page, that part of the page that says we offer this service in this location is going to dynamically be changed. This can work well with ads or email marketing or something like that. It can also be used for things if you change the script to work this way. It can be used for things like replacing with someone's name. Now, in high level, it has merge tags and stuff like that, where if it knows who the website visitor is, then you can use those merge tags. But this does not require any high level merge tags. It's all just custom code. So you can see on the screen, this is the code snippet. It's just JavaScript. We're going to go start bookkeeper. So we offer bookkeeping in Dallas, Texas. We offer bookkeeping in Atlanta, Georgia. We offer bookkeeping in Phoenix, Arizona, stuff like that. All right, so we're just going to go into any funnel, and I'm going to show you how it works. So we have it as Dallas. Then we go to the advanced. Notice we're in a headline. Go to custom class. We are not using the CSS selector because that is an ID. This is a class. So this would be replace location. Hit enter. Okay, so now we're going to clone it and we're going to change the text color to red. And I'm going to blank out the text, and notice because we cloned it, it still has that class on it. Then I'm going to add a subheadline. Not going to change anything. And then I'm going to add custom code. Okay, so in our custom code, notice that we have a paragraph with a class and there is no content. All right, so we have it here and a blank and here. So now we're going to save it and go back and preview it. Okay, so notice we have it just like we entered it. Dallas, Texas, blank, just as it is, and then custom code. Now we're going to search by replace location, and you'll see there's 4 results, one of which is that heading, one of which is the empty heading, the next one is that subheading, and then the next one is this custom code paragraph. If we add question mark location equals Phoenix, Arizona, notice it changes it either to %20 or the plus symbol, but it's not doing the replacement. That's because we need to put our tracking code, not tracking code, but our custom code in that area. And notice we say works in head or body. So click on raw, Control A or Command A to select all, and then Control C to copy, and then Control V to paste. Now, if you have your Google Tag Manager or some other scripts in here, that's fine. Just put it alongside of it, not inside of another one. Okay. Now, just going to refresh. We have the location on there. Watch this. Almost instantly, Phoenix, 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 Phoenix. Okay. So this one is the custom HTML, and we don't have any styling on there. So it's just plain text and left aligned. This one is the subheading, the heading, and the heading in white and in black. So that's it. So you can have it multiple places. You can use it more than once in a single page. And you could even use it in these other steps of the funnel or other pages on your website, because we put the custom code at the top of the funnel. If you were to put it on a single page, then it would only work for that page. Here's where you would put it for a single page. Code right here, header or footer. Let's try it in the footer. Now, of course, we don't want it in two places. We only want it in one. So we're going to take it out of the head here. Even though it says head tracking code, it's just a place to put whatever you want. It's not only allowed to be tracking codes. Yep, so it still works. This code is very resilient. It will work pretty much wherever you place it. Just don't put it in more than one spot. Now, if we want to put a different location, like Atlanta, you'll see that that works. So whatever you put as your URL, if you have other things like this, then the way URL query parameters work is the first one starts with a question mark, then the parameter, the value, and then additional query parameters have to have the ampersand and symbol, and you can have as many more as you want. It's just they have to be separated by the and symbol. So don't put this, because it will look weird. It'll just be Atlanta, comma, because it doesn't. That's the way URL query parameters work. So I hope that was insightful and gives you a lot of new ideas and opportunities, whether it is doing outreach in bulk or running ads. It should be very helpful for you. Hope you like it. Please like and subscribe, and you can join our community and ask us any questions. Looking forward to helping you some more.